partnerships in the sneaker industry is that between Travis Scott and Jordan Brand. With color options including white and chocolate, this pair is already creating a lot of talk. Now, the Travis Scott X Nike Zoom Field JAXX will be offered in a brand new colorway dubbed Leche Blue for spring 2025. It has a plush blend of leather and suede. The base layer is sleek and fashionable thanks to the upper subdued Leche Blue color. While the cactus lettering is concealed by a side strap, the blue tones are emphasized by white accents on the tongue, eyestays, mudguard, and heel overlay. The tongue, shoelaces, and suede swoosh are all decorated in baroque brown. The heel's embroidered smiley face logo is a striking feature, while the brown foam midsole is reminiscent of Spiridon. The Nike Zoom Field JAXX LECHE Blue by Travis Scott will retail for $170 and be accessible on SNKRS, shop.travisscott.com, and a few other stores starting May 16, 2025.